server-side class, there's a lot more we can do with forms and get and post. And with a form, if you do get, you'll notice sometimes when you go to a URL, you'll notice on the top of the URL there are actually fields being displayed, and the different form items are actually on the URL itself. With post, it's different. You'll post will it doesn't get displayed on the URL, and you'll have some PHP or some type of script that gets all that information. But I wanted to show you a little bit with since it's a client side class, but there is something you can do on the client side using get and post, and that's mail. So I wouldn't really recommend it because you're really relying on the user having an email program set up on their machine that works. But let me show it to you. So here I have two forms, created two forms, one using get, one using post. So here, um, the action, I'm going to do the first one, get, is radler@neau.edu. I put the field set just to make the box around it. I should have given it a legend too, just to be clear. Um, but I didn't. Okay, so there's two forms, and here I have my subject, and I call it name is equal to subject, and here I have a body, and there's a submit button. So with get, I can do that. What I'm going to put my subject, hey class, and my body, hi, how are you? Then now, really, if you're on using server side, you can do mail much nicer. You can have a PHP script that really writes email, but I'm doing it from the client side, so you could do something like this. It involves relying on the client having an email program set up. Here I have it, and you can see now it brings up a message to I wrote mail to our adler, so it goes to my email. Hey class, hi, how are you? And the user can submit it. So we have the subject and we have the body. Now I want to go and show you the other one that I'm on my email. All right, bringing up the old one I did. All right, here. Now I'm going to show you the post. So now I'm going to do one with post. And here, post works a little differently. Everything ends up getting sent in the body of the message itself. So here I'm going to put my name, that's Rachel Adler. My email address is test@gmail.com. Comments is this is the best class ever. And we have, so I put name, email address, comment, and there's a submit button. So let's submit. Again, bringing up my email. Let's see it. So R Adler is the mail to. Subject I had put directly in here since everything was going to be sent in the body. I had put a subject watch this DS300, and now everything gets put. Oh, I spelled my own name wrong. Everything gets put directly in the body, the name, email, the comment, and even the submit button. So it's a little bit. I mean, we're not going to be doing emails, but I wanted to show you since we'll be doing forms and our forms won't go anywhere. You can see a little bit. Well, we can send them in an email right now, and in the future, when you take server side, you'll actually see your forms going places and maybe going to a database and really getting used.